Now we are going to see the next problem. See this problem. Where will the hand of a clock stop if the first problem starts at 12 and makes 1 by 2 of a revolution clockwise. Okay, how can you solve in that one? See here, first you have to draw the clock. Okay, see here, first solution, I have to take clock. Okay, in this clock 12, this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, see, starts at 12. Okay, starts at 12 and makes 1 by 2 of a revolution clockwise. 1 by 2 means, how can you find it in that one? See, when our hand of a clock starts at 12 and makes 1 by 2 revolution clockwise means it will rotate by, okay, 180 degree. Hence the our hand of the clockwise stop at 6. See, 1 by 2 revolution means, see here, 1 revolution means 360 degree. 1 by 2 revolution means 180 degree. So start from 12 and then rotate the clockwise means we have to stop at 6. Clear? See, 12 to 6. So you have to draw in this diagram. Everybody clear for in this one? See, you have to write the solution is, see, we know that one complete clockwise revolution, our hand will rotate by 360 degree. So in this is common for all problem, right? See, what is the question? Starts at 12 and makes 1 by 2 of a revolution clockwise. Means you have to write when our hand of a clock starts at 12 and makes 1 by 2 revolution clockwise, right? So it will rotate by 1 by 2 revolution means it will rotate by, see what is that? The degree is 180 degree. Hence the our hand of a clockwise, sorry, clock, okay, clock will stop at which one? 6. So this is the proper line. Everybody clear? Okay, so start at 12 and make it 1 by 2 of a revolution clockwise means, okay, first of all you have to write in this format. After that you have to draw the diagram. Okay, right. See, we know that one complete clockwise revolution, our hand will rotate by 360 degree, right? One complete turn is called as one revolution. Okay, when our hand of a clock starts at 12 and makes 1 by half revolution means half revolution clockwise means you have to finishing the point is 6. It will rotate by 180 degrees. See, this is straight line. So we can say that this is the degree is 180. Hence the hour hand of a clock will stop at 6. That's it. Everybody clear? Okay. See the next problem. You will get the clear idea. See, your question is starts at 2 and makes 1 by 2 of a revolution clockwise. This is revolution. Okay, revolution clockwise. See here, how can you solve in that problem? See, first you have to write in these lines. Okay, after that you have to draw the diagram. See, first in this line you have to write. Everybody know that one yeah, right. We know that one complete clockwise revolution our hand will rotate by 360 degree. When in this problem, when our hand of a clock starts at which one? 2. Okay, so starts at 2 and makes, see, what is that? 1 by 2 revolution clockwise, right? 1 by 2 of a revolution clockwise means it will rotate by, see here, 2. After that, starting point is 2, makes off revolution. Off revolution means 180. Okay, so see this diagram also you have to see. See, 2 means off revolution means, see here in this one, starting point to 2 na, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So here starting point 2 means what is that? 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so this one starting 2 finishing at 8. Clear? So in that one is rotate by 180. Off revolution means 180. One revolution means 360. Okay, off revolution means 180. Okay, so rotate by 180 degree. Hence, our hand of a clock will stop at which? At 8. Clear? See the diagram. This is 12. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 means starting at 2. Off revolution means 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, see, 2 to 8 clockwise. So you can put in this arrow mark. Everybody clear? Okay, now see the third one. Starts at 5 and makes 1 by 4 of a revolution. Clockwise. Okay, this one is the question. Start at 5, makes 1 by 4 of a revolution clockwise. See here, in this problem you have to write the same line. What is that? We know that one complete clockwise revolution our hand will rotate by 360 degree. You have to write the common for all problem. You have to write, after that you have to write the steps. What is that? When in this problem our hand, step mark is important, that's why I have to write the step in every problem. Okay, see here, when our hand of a clock starts at, what is that? 5 and makes 1 by 4 revolution clockwise. Okay, 1 by 4 of a revolution clockwise. Okay, it will rotate by see 5. Start at 5. Make it 1 by 4 means what is that? 90 degree. Okay, see here 90 degree means see, you know that one right angle 90 degree means 5, after that 6, 7, 8. Okay, you have to finishing the point is 8. So it will rotate by 90 degree. Okay, one full revolution means 360, half revolution means 180, 1 by 4 revolution means 90, 3 by 4 revolution is 270. Clear? See here, 1 revolution means 360 degree. Okay, and then half revolution means 180 degree. Everybody clear? See, and then 1 by 4 revolution means 90, 3 by 4 revolution means 270. Clear everybody? Okay. See, in this problem is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means 90. Okay, so here our hand of a clock will stop at, so which one? See the diagram, this is 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. See here, the starting point is 5, 90 degree. Okay, see after that 6, 7, 8 in this one. See 5 to 8 means here. So we can say finishing point at stop at 8. Everybody clear? Okay. Okay. Now see the fourth one. See here. In this problem starts at 5 and makes 3 by 4 of a revolution clockwise. Okay. See, this one is a question. In this problem starts at 5 and make 3 by 4 of a revolution. See, as usual the same, we have to write in that line. What is that? Everybody know that one complete clockwise revolution our hand will rotate by 360 degree. This is common for all problems. So in this line you have to write all problem. Don't forget. Okay. See here. After that you have to start from in this problem. You have to write when our hand of a clock starts at which one? 5. Okay, so we have to put 5 and makes, what is that? 3 by 4. This one is a solution. Okay, 3 by 4 revolution clockwise. Okay, see, it will rotate by 3 by 4 means what is that? 3 by 4 means 270 degree. So you have to write it will rotate by 270. Sorry. Okay, 270 degree. Hence, hour hand of a clock will stop at which one? See here, you can draw the clock. See here, this one is 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. In this one we have to starting at 5. Okay, starting at 5. Makes 3 by 4 of a revolution. 3 by 4 of a revolution, or otherwise 3 right angle. Okay, see here, right angle means 1, 2, 3. This is one right angle. 1, 2, 3. This is another right angle. 1, 2, 3. This is third right angle. So you have to finish that 2. So see here, starting at 5, finishing at which one? 2. Everybody clear? So we have to put stop at which one? 2. Clear? Okay. See, what is this? This is very interesting problem. See, first of all, you have to memory for in that one. Okay, not memory. First you have to understand. After that you have to fix it in your mind. See here, one revolution means 360 degree. Okay, one revolution means 360. Half revolution means 180. Okay, that means straight line. This is circle, this one is straight line. And then 1 by 4 means 90 degree. That means right angle, 90 degree. 3 by 4 means 3 right angle, 270. Okay, 1 by 4 means 1 right angle. 1 by 2 means 2 right angle. 3 by 4 means 3 right angle. 1 by 4 means 4 right angle. Now everybody clear? Okay. After that you have to see this problem. What is your question? In your question is, when will the hand of your clock stop if at? See the first problem only I have to tell again. Okay, see here, starts at 12 and makes 1 by 2 of a revolution clockwise. So we have to write in this line first. After that you have to do this diagram. See here, this line is very important for every problem. See, we know that one complete clockwise revolution, our hand will rotate by 360 degree. Okay, so when our hand of a clock starts at, in this given question is 12 and makes 1 by 2 of a revolution. What is that 1 by 2? Just now we know that we saw. So what do you saw that 1 by 2 revolution means 180 degree, right? So it will rotate by 180 degree. So 12 to 180, or otherwise 180 means or otherwise we can say that 2 right angle. Okay, so we have to finishing at 6. So it will rotate at by 180 degree. Hence the hour hand of a clock will stop at which one? 6. Clear? Okay, now similarly you can do this problem 2 and then problem 3. Okay, the same method. Fourth problem also same method, but see the diagram. Okay, that is very important. See here, the fourth problem starts at 5, makes 3 by 4 of a revolution. 3 by 4 means 3 right angle. So 5, after that 6, 7, 8, 1 right angle. Okay, 3 by 4 revolution means 3 right angle. This is 1. 1, 2, 3. This is 2, second right angle. 1, 2, 3. This is 3 right angle. That means 1 right angle means everybody know that 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes is called an 1 right angle. See here, 6, 7, 8. In this 15 minutes is 1 right angle. 9, 10, 11. Okay, 2 right angle. 12, 1, 2. That is 3 right angle. Okay, see totally 270 degree. So that's why I have to draw in that one 5 starting and then finishing is 3 by 4 revolution means we have to finish that 3 right angle means reach at the point is 2. Clear? So when our end of a clock start at 5 and makes 3 by 4 revolution, that means 3 right angle clockwise, means it will rotate by 370 degree. Hence our end of a clock will stop at 2. Everybody clear? Okay. Thank you.